Hey everybody, in this video I've got another American 1100. It's really all I have to pick right now. So hopefully nobody gets tired of these things. I don't really get tired of them. They're my favorite locks to pick. But if you are tired of them, good news. I've only got 2 more left after this one, and I haven't ordered any more. I did order one of the round brass Americans, but that hasn't came yet. And I got 2 master locks coming too without keys. I guess at least it'll be different than these things. There we go. Love that sound. Yeah, it's got a whole bunch of thread pins in it. You have little clicks there, and you're picking them, and you can hear the difference from the serrations. You know, when you're going to serration to serration, or when they actually set. You know, so get a little feel in the tension wrench when you're doing it. And it's not something I think can really be explained. You just sort of have to just do it a lot. You know, and pay attention when you're doing it. I used to pick a lot of locks in front of the TV. So I'd sit there and try and fail, and then all of a sudden it would just open in my hand, and I wouldn't have any idea how or why or what I did to open it. So it definitely kind of helps to pay attention when you practice. I used to do it all the time, actually. I remember I had a Master 570 that I didn't know what spool pins were at the time. I couldn't remember why I couldn't open it. Here's the key, by the way. 78525 it says. But anyway, I got it open a few times, just not paying attention at all, just literally watching football games. It would just pop open. Couldn't, no clue why. And then eventually, trying to practice and pay attention and figured it out. This lock is super greasy. These things are they're just brand spanking new. Put a key blanket and pop them out. Alright. Grease off here. And okay, I'll check for drivers here. I don't know if there's any spools in here or not. I didn't really get any false sets. Set number 1's a spool, but it's over the longest pin, the second longest pin. So, not really going to get a false set. Another spool, but of course over a super long pin. And then we got a serrated pin. Felt that one. I think this is serrated as well. Yeah, I felt that one a couple times. So, it figures the spool pins would make it more fun than serrated pins are over the 2 longest pins. So that's I don't get cool false sets or anything. Yeah, these springs on all these locks too are in good shape. They're not all mashed in or anything. That to me makes it easier to pick serrated pins when there's something pushing back. It's a better feel on it. So yeah, that's that one. I got 2 more of these to go, and then still have to find something else to do. But anyway, that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.